In a vibrant city, a hero emerges, a young figure in a striking costume that sparkles in the sunlight. In a quiet park, children huddle together, their eyes lacking the usual spark of curiosity and energy. A hero named Mighty Max steps forward, his cape fluttering behind him in a show of unwavering resolve. The children's faces light up with awe as Max weaves tales of overcoming adversity and never giving up. Max gestures towards the horizon, his gaze fixed on a future filled with endless possibilities and dreams waiting to be realized. Doubt lingers in the air as the children exchange uncertain glances, skepticism clouding their young features. Max orchestrates a series of daunting tasks, his grin unwavering as he challenges the children to push beyond their limits. Determination paints the children's faces as they tackle the challenges, their resolute efforts a testament to newfound strength. Cheers fill the air as the children triumph over obstacles, their jubilant expressions radiating newfound confidence and self-belief. Surrounded by beaming children, Max basks in their newfound confidence, a sense of pride illuminating his features. With newfound determination, the children march forward, their hearts brimming with the belief that no dream is too big to conquer. As the sun sets on the city, Mighty Max watches over it with a sense of fulfillment, knowing that he has ignited the spark of perseverance in the hearts of the young.